Hello, this is Nick with Nick's Computer Fix, and here's a video on the Canon printer MG3070s, how to change your ink cartridge. Free and easy. And by the way, be sure to click on that subscribe button. It would be greatly appreciated. Okay, let's go ahead and get started here by first locating the power button on the printer and pressing it. And that green LED light will blink and then it will turn solid, which tells you the printer is now completely and fully powered on. At this point, we want to go ahead and open up the tray here where the ink cartridges will be inserted, and there's two slots. The slot on the left side takes the color ink cartridge, and it is number 746S. And it's a starter ink cartridge, by the way. That's what's included free with the purchase of your printer. Alright, and the way you do it is you just push it in there and push it up, and it should click for you. And once that's accomplished, we'll grab the black ink cartridge, number 745S, and let me open up this one also. And once you have it completely unwrapped, you're ready to insert it into the right slot, and you do it just like I'm doing it here. You push it in and then you push it up a little bit and it'll click, and you're ready to go. Go ahead and close the tray door there, and you'll hear the printer. Once that's completed, you're ready to go ahead and print. And of course, go ahead and put paper in your printer if you don't already have paper installed. And once you got it inserted in the paper tray, you're good to go. And let's see if I can go ahead and print something. Let me see. Okay, I'll just print a test page here. Now, for a low budget printer, this printer prints very fast in my opinion, and I like that. And it prints very clear and crisp printouts. So as you can see, it is fast and it looked good. Alright, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and be sure to click on that subscribe button to see more videos like this one.